Chapter 20 Sri Sai Churcha Das Guru problem solved by Kaka's maid servant. In this chapter, Hampton describes how Das Guru Maharaja solved a Kaka Dishan maid servant when Sai Lada's originally formless. He assumed the form of snake of his bhaktas with the help of the Satrasma. He played the part of actor in the big drama of universe. Let us remember visualize let us imagine this radio carefully visualize the program known Arti. When Arti knows over Sai Baba go to Motamas, the Tanwal Shani and the edges against lovely artist devoted distributed. The bhaktas respond the equal famous some go to class with 6 feet, other to remind is accordingly everyone would enjoy the shower of Udi. Baba distributed a handful of Udis into form of devotees. One of the photos of Udis with fingers. The love he bore for him, the heart was boundless. He then addressed the bhaktas as follows: "O Babu, go take your lunch. So now, go tell Achim. So you, Babu, enjoy a meal in this way. Convince me the devotees and from me even Baba can use lesson enjoyment of some in this play. Thus bringing Saru for mental lesson, meditation, holy faith, and pursuing himself humbly. As per the story of this chapter, Ishino Upanishad. Das Guru once started to write a Marathi commentary of Ishino personal recipes of first Father. It is called Master it is remembered in the mantra of a Vedic Samvara. It is continued to give so 48 chapter of the Ishino Samhita, and it is therefore being embodied in the Vedic Samhita. This is regarded as a superior to all which occur Brahmas and Viras. It is a mantra solution now. Only these other are considered to be a commentaries on the truths mentioned briefly. So, for instance, the biggest of his opponents, Brenda Punish considers a Pandit Shalko to be running commentary on the Upanishad. Professor R.D. Ramdesh is quite small. Opponents yet contains Americans with social external dressing title with the short of compass 18 verses. It valuably gives material discussion, treatment, a description, ideas, stages, questions, and content in the midst of temptation and sorrows, and brings the doctrine of Purna. The finally condition of knowledge of hope, the most valuable idea lies in the root of Upanishad, sympathies between opposite knowledge of absolute the Purana higher synthesis. Considers the Upanishad philosophy and other places also poetry from the common some of the mystical metaphorical thought. For the brief discussion given about the Upanishads and consists translate Upanishads to a natural language, so being exact many. The husband translated to Marathi verse by verse who do not comprehend this Upanishad was not satisfied with this performance. Therefore, counsel with some learnings or doubts difficulties to discuss upon the great length, not to the compressed, not to the rational satisfaction of the task from the restless over the matter. Sadhguru and compress conflict explain. As we see in Upanishad, this point it is sense of self-realization. It is a sacrifice or weapon which are under bondage of death makes us free. Only therefore, if the self-realization can use the correct of Upanishad, when there is good satisfied, the Askur and counsel saw about this and the operation of Askur study. Directly Sai Baba stood himself and Pastor Baba gave the correct information Sai Baba wasted minute to access there is no difficult of matter. Because I will solve your problems home. The people who represent they thought it was Baba's job now to illiterate myths I want difficulties. Thus Guru thought a certain what Baba's must come to Baba words as a resource of Brahma and Kaka might not fully believed in Baba words or would like this study or read. Believers of Baba shared in the Kaka Disha the next day while Das Guru was enjoying this morning nap once on his worship. The progress with me is some beautiful memory stone. The song was mentioned colored shadow nature and actually that's been like this song was and also the another song also when the Papa child the girl was in the vessels and we are in the tone travel improves connections the joy on the task could feel pretty on the next stage when being a parent daughter requested even to the poor girl so that is good to share this songs as presented to her like the starving person receiving delicious food to eat until the snow the next day shows on great enjoyment was really John Surrender played for the other considered the following days to put this new set in the box at home. Old Ragnar plus electricity material placed as in the Gascon transform into atmosphere. You know that other perfume here to be on round up, but no hills which get on the rose. Having the old rug while keeping the nursery of home on the box, she settled about the notice of rejection. Sorrow there is no use or feeling pain to concept that to demand this is something that comes desperate with not with the depressed and the same. This particular importance condition of the poor will the render and is under the personal lapse provided with him. The angle is joyful, is only also so joyful as the person second the tone of joy condition. The husband not from the condition of their life. Thinking deeply over himself, thus no responsibility condones not by thus by God, thus no God to practical demonstration of the idea of mind that will lasting weapons, consequent illness, spread to material. Unique method of teaching from the most important knowledge teaching with a unique method of varied. Though Baba never left study, he has sent some devotees, Majan exam to Pradpur, as well as practicing sadhanas to say a place in his usual form. Others, he appeared in the waking of a dream state. That is why the dream it is impossible to describe the methods of Baba imparting instructions as well as the Vidas is proud on the servant. Though it says not necessary, last the Baba could have personally explained when Baba wanted to close the national for minus which in turn from the personal. Now he closes at another beautiful external point. The ethics of its own appreciation. One of the main features of the concept is that it's interesting and strong definitely based upon whatever question is. The story opening opens the lesser God provides everything up supportly whatever questions ethical are those of a man to God besides the first law pressure everything God must be to follow naturally to follow particular man's property. In fact, if it thought lessons to follow every father is observed to an ordinate. Opponents also gives some moral values when non life time doing actions just like karma returns or some would become according to opponents very can knowing man's penance like the good he has to do side of must know how God wrong would also find the text goes on there's any self process of self impact on the existence of self we are the ground must have grief clothing and for the being